Yeah, I think there's a few things you can do during the softer quarter, and one of those, how you can make additional revenue from the things you pick up. Amazing, that old adage, one man's junk is another man's treasure. A lot of times you don't have the time to maximize that maybe being able to sell or being able to recycle for dollars. I mean, that's where it's at in the first quarter, is trying to accumulate as many dollars as possible. Either that's going to be through sales, or it's going to be through other means, which would be recyclables and things that you can sell on some of the selling channels. We did something that was kind of interesting just before a holiday like Christmas. We collected Christmas lights and ornaments and trees. The amount of holiday stuff that we get in, it was just incredible. So I would hold this special where for a month and a half before, I'd start collecting all this Christmas stuff. Again, lights and ornaments and Santas and plastic whatevers. But it was all holiday related. And I had a warehouse sale where I brought people in, and it was a good cash business for a short period of time. And you can probably do that for all the holidays, but certainly during that January, that start of the first period, it helps us out a lot, giving us extra revenue. It's not too late right now, and you're in the middle of November. You can start collecting some of this stuff. Again, it seemed like I got this kind of thing, the holiday stuff, every day, and we were able to, when it wasn't close to the holidays, we recycled the wires, and some of the stuff that we picked up, but. Now is a good time to be able to sell it from your location. You've got time to be able to put items that we pick up online and be able to maximize the dollars that you can get out of it, rather than either donating it or sending it to a transfer station or landfill. Why not maximize the dollars on it? Recycling also. I mean, we did a lot of recycling, and certainly during. I can remember the first year I was open. We actually went around during garbage day and picked up recyclable metal. It was another way of how we can offset the softer quarter. You're in a fight for your life, especially in the beginning, and you'll do just about anything to bring in revenue. Sales pay payroll, so obviously the more sales you bring in, the more payroll hours you're able to give people. So you don't have to lay off anybody or reduce hours if you're having that steady stream of revenue coming in. My whole business was built on servicing my customers. The junk removal customer came first. As far as back-end revenue that I was able to make off of it was always secondary, but it was always a lucrative business. In my business, I was part of a franchise system, so everything that, as far as junk related, that I charged my customers, there was a franchise fee that they collected. However, on the back door, whatever I sold out the back door, or whatever I was able to have auctioneers or resale stores pick up from me and make money on, that had no royalty or any franchise fee attached to it. So that was a really clean way of making additional profit money, dollars. Our JRA customers, somebody who can make money in the front end and also the back end. A lot of times it seems like it's a lot of work and a lot of aggravation, and it isn't. It can be another layer to manage, but certainly when you're getting ready for the first quarter, and it's the most challenging quarter, it's an opportunity area where you can bring in additional revenue. And again, you want to keep sales coming in so you can pay your payroll. You don't want to limit people's hours. So it also is another way to increase your payroll.